Hi, I'm Mike Riesel. I'm the Oaks Concrete Technical Service Representative. I'm just going to take in a quick plant tour of the Milton facility. A good spot to start at the beginning. You got your raw materials that come in via trucks, and usually 75% sand, 25% stone. Drops on top of the grates. Once we call it, goes up onto the conveyor belts and into the plant. And I'll show you a little bit how it gets from the plant to the machine. So that was the raw material. This is the pigment. So you can see up here we've got the raw material for the pigments, the 4 colors. This is where they're stored, and as we call them, they fire down in here into a tube and off into the mixer. So this is where everything meets. We've got our cement, slag, stone and sand upstairs. Have our pigments over to the right. Everything meets here in the mixer. Depending on the size of the mix you got, it's around 6,000 pounds. And particularly right now it's nice and quiet. In a few minutes you might start hearing a discharge on you. So this is where everything's made. Okay, so what we have here, this is the control system for the whole plant. This controls everything from the raw materials outside, inside, upstairs, the mixer, absolutely everything. See all your weights up there. It's a pretty automated system there. It captures all the weights of each material we put in the mix. What's going on here is we got Craig out here actually doing some height measurements to make sure that everything's bang on within our targets of +1.5, -1 on this particular product. So you can see he's making sure that every board's good. One of the key features to having such an up-to-date program such as we have here is that you can actually really accurately track your raw material usage, so you can make sure that our targets are being met. You can make sure that the batch is what we say it's going to be, so it's consistent and accurate every time we make it. One of the things we have at each location, each operator has a computer at their own station. You can see we have all these different things that we make them test on a regular basis, so they can come in, click on the thing that they're doing, and enter the results. So that way it's a lot easier to record stuff, accurately monitor stuff, and make sure that what we have is a good quality product. Okay, well, thanks for coming by, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Hope you learned something. And the most important thing is that you get what you want, get what you paid for, good quality product. Guess we'll see you next time on Oaks TV.